Thank you.
Then we will move to item G, which is request to approve a foreign exchange student.
So moved to approve.
Seconded.
Okay, we have a motion and second then to approve the request
What
for
program was this through again?
foreign exchange.
The Global Youth Exchange,
Okay.
AYUSA,
Yeah, academic year, yes.
And she is from Norway.
Norway.
Speaks German and English. Very nice. That's very good. Now, this program, it lists the contact for her in La Crosse, but she will have a host family here?
Brascovius.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Oh, okay.
East Avenue should be.
Okay. Any further discussion, questions? All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed?